How to fix an error occurred while checking for updates in Chrome on Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help fix an error occurred while checking for updates in Chrome on Windows 10. 1. Restart your Chrome and try updating it later. 2. Restart your computer and try updating your Chrome later. 3. Check if the Google Update service is enabled via misconfig. 4. Back up your Chrome profile, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Chrome later. 5. Check if you've blocked to access Google-related services/apps/websites. If so, try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. Plan B, disable any active proxy/VPN. 6. Modify the default key at hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Google as 1. 7. Run the offline installer at https://www.google.com/chrome/browser/desktop/index.html?system=sign true &standalone sign as admin. 8. Reboot your Windows into its safe mode with networking, then try update your Chrome. 9. Flush DNS, command, IP protocol configuration/flushes, reset WinSock, netshare WinSock reset, and reset TCP/IP, netshare and IP reset, then restart your PC. Last but not least, follow https://support.google.com/chrome/answer/111996?HL=sign and to fix Chrome update problems and failed updates. Having done that, if the issue still persists, just to make sure we eliminate malware from the scenario by running Chrome Cleanup Tool and using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Note, if you're using antivirus, firewall software, and / or parental control settings, make sure Chrome is trusted or allowed by these programs. You can also try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if this resolves the issue. Then, please try unchanged hardware acceleration, menu settings, advanced settings under system, use hardware acceleration when available.